All right, that was, I'm at church. What that cause was, a water pipe broke, so yeah. Okay, yeah, that explains that. All right, so they silenced the alarms, but a few of the horn strobes are doing audible silence. You got one down here too, a couple out here doing audible silence, which I think that code is no longer, they're not really allowed to do that anymore, but whatever, I won't question it. This one does audible silence. Let's see, this one doesn't. You can hear the wheel lock sync module, or I hear it clicking with the strobes. See, this one doesn't flash. I don't know if the ones in, do the gems flash? All right, this one does audible silence. Like I said earlier, the cause of the alarm was a water pipe had burst and broke. Basically, from what I was told happened, one of the sprinklers got set off in the sprinkler room, which is actually right outside the building of the church. And then apparently it caused a water pipe to break, which set off the alarm. This was actually a pretty lucky catch because, I was actually about ready to leave 2 minutes before the alarm went off, but I was talking with a friend from my congregation at church, which I guess that was basically just good lucky timing, because if I had left 2 minutes before, I would have missed the alarm, which would have been super boring. But when I was in the building, after I went back in to get videos of the alarms and everything else, then I was informed that a gas leak had occurred because of the broken water main. So knowing that, I got the heck out of there. I forget what the panel system is, but they're wheel lock AS horn strobes, which you don't really see much around today, because it's now really basically the wheel lock exceeder and everything else, but still a rather good catch, but that's not the main point.